Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Nissan remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case from top to bottom to gain access to the key fob battery, which is situated in this part of the fob. So first thing we need to do is get our flat-headed screwdriver, similar to this one. And just at the back of the fob here, there is an indentation, just enough room for you to put the blade of the screwdriver in, like so, and give it a twist, which releases the catch and splits the two halves of the fob. The key fob battery is situated in this part of the housing. So we get a smaller screwdriver, similar to this one, and we just need to remove the two legs that hold the two halves of the case together, like this, so we can split the case. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again and we just remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025, like this one. We just simply now pop the new battery back into the housing. Remember, on this one, the writing on the battery is facing down, so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the fob. We just line it all up. We just click it in place. Now we just get the top half with the blade. And we just click it in place, like so. And there you go. It's all done.